Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Tango. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the More option. Go ahead and tap on any one of these options and you will be allowed to sign up using any one of these methods. If you choose your phone number, just enter your phone number within this page after choosing your country code and then tap on Continue. Otherwise, you can just choose your Google account if you have selected Google. You will then be asked to enter your verification code, which will automatically be detected. Otherwise, you can simply check your phone SMS and then enter this code in order to proceed with signing up. Once you enter the code, you will see the Claim Free Gift option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to choose your interests. You can simply proceed forward by choosing your desired interests, and you will be asked to choose your plan. You can click on Skip if you wish to use the free option, and now this will open up your newly created account on Tango right away, and you will immediately be able to browse through the various different available profiles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Tango app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.